Hi.
My name is Gail Santa Maria. I'm from Maryland. I'm a teacher. My question is about guns. I'm very concerned about the proliferation of guns in America, especially as it pertains to school shootings.
Right.
Do you think that reinstating the ban on assault weapons and banning high-capacity magazines would do any good?
Yes, I do. I do.
Good.
You know, first of all, I think as a teacher or really any parent, what's been happening with these school shootings should cause everybody to just think hard. We make hard choices and we balance competing values all the time. And I was disappointed that the Congress did not pass universal background checks after the horrors of the shootings at Sandy Hook, and now we've had more in the time since. And I don't think any parent, any person should have to fear about their child going to school or going to college because someone, for whatever reasons, psychological, emotional, political, ideological, whatever it means, could possibly enter that school property with an automatic weapon and murder innocent children, students, teachers. I'm well aware that this is a hot political subject. And again, I will speak out no matter what role I find myself in, but I believe that we need a more thoughtful conversation. We cannot let a minority of people, and that's what it is a minority of people, hold a viewpoint that terrorizes the majority of people. And you are about the fifth person in the last weeks, parents, another teacher, just interested citizens, who have said something similar to me. So my view is that, yes, we need to thrash this out in the political realm. But the vast majority of Americans, even law-abiding gun owners,
Background checks that work.
who want background checks that work, information that is shared immediately, and an awareness that we're going to have to do a better job protecting the vast majority of our citizens, including our children, from that very, very, very small group that is unfortunately prone to violence, and now with automatic weapons can wreak so much more violence than they ever could have before.